it's Yura and Emma and our green room is finally done.
This guest room felt like it took us 100 years to complete, but we're super excited to finally show it to you.
Yay!
Let's just run through the whole ass project.
Alright.
We started with this really... I can't say that. Can I say that?
No.
You can bleep me. Okay, we started this room... No. There's always been this room in my house that we didn't really use for anything, and it just had a heap of like old couches and random stuff in it. So we decided to clear it out and turn it into a really nice guest room that we'd actually start using. So we emptied the room out.
Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
So we emptied the room out.
We emptied it out and we decided to... Did we? So we emptied out the room and then we came up with a design.
And a colour scheme.
Yes, based on a green desk.
It's not really green. It's like a wood desk with a green top and some gold details. So we decided to make that the colour scheme for the entire room. We did some like sketches or whatever of what we wanted the room to look like.
Coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name.
And then we headed out shopping, which was a little bit more complicated than we'd expected, and a lot of stuff like had delivery issues and yada yada.
All up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
And then we...
I knew you'd like that one. I knew it in my heart.
Don't lie, you're so high in this room, it's alright. Cause I'm right there with you and just fly. There's blue skies and your eyes make suns rise. And now that you're falling, I wanna come to. I want us to stay here forever. Alone in this room. Don't lie, you're so high in this room, it's alright. Cause I'm right there with you and just fly. There's blue skies, your eyes make suns rise. I don't know where to go. Keep me like a lip song when I'm with you. One single place turns into space. I'm holding on to you, and now that you're falling.
We did some fun little DIY projects, which were really easy, very cheap, very savvy, very pretty.
Don't lie, so high in this room, it's alright. Cause I'm right there with you and just fly. There's blue skies and your eyes make suns rise. Don't lie, so high in this room, it's alright. Cause I'm right there with you and just fly. There's blue skies
gloves for safety, everybody. This is the normal part of potting where you blow on your plant. I love this watering can. This is a hole. Why is a hole? I think I'm gonna kill it.
This room is alright, 'cause I'm right there with you and just fly. There's blue skies in your eyes.
He's so happy in his new home. The happiest boy around.
Come to. I want us to stay here forever, alone in this room. Don't lie, we're so high in this room. It's alright, 'cause I'm right there with you and just fly. There's blue skies, your eyes make suns rise. I don't know where to go. You keep me like a lips on when I'm with you. One single place turns into space. I'm holding on to you, and now that you're falling, I wanna come to. I want us to stay here forever, alone in this room. Don't lie, so high in this room. It's alright, 'cause I'm right there with you and just fly. There's blue skies and your eyes make suns rise. Don't lie, so high in this room. It's alright, 'cause I'm right there with you and just fly. There's blue skies, your eyes make suns rise.
The lights up. Everything's finished.
So it's time for the final reveal.
Enjoy!
Don't lie, you're so high in this room. It's alright, 'cause I'm right there with you and just fly. There's blue skies and your eyes make suns rise. And now that you're falling, I wanna come to. I want us to stay here forever, alone in this room. Don't lie, we're so high in this room. It's alright, 'cause I'm right there with you and just fly. There's blue skies, your eyes make suns rise. I don't know where to go. You keep me like a lips on when I'm with you. One single place.
Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe. We've got some new projects coming along. Bye.
Bye.
I wanna come to.